In a rapidly changing and unpredictable world, enterprises have to adjust fast. To do that, businesses need a unified approach to pivot plans, model scenarios, and collaborate with stakeholders. The Anaplan user experience brings people together so they can easily collaborate across functions. With the Anaplan mobile app, Anya can review her team's progress, comment, and approve changes on the go. Her finance manager receives the notifications from her summary board with key metrics. She can drill down to the specific scenario and activate it to instantly see the plan's impact. Once it's active, she can share it and export the plan directly to a spreadsheet using Anaplan extensions. A supply chain planner receives notifications from his worksheet, which provides data analysis tools and interactive insights to help with decision-making. And he can easily add a new promotion using the form feature. The incentive compensation dashboard offers sales reps a view to their sales goals and potential earnings. Managers on Anya's team can use personalized pages to report a new sales forecast. Anaplan keeps teams connected, empowering organizations to drive more informed decisions faster. Collaborative, actionable, and effortless. Anaplan.